doing, you have seen it from the outside already. We are sitting in the all-new Huracan TECNICA with the racing harness that I can barely fit here. And yeah, of course, want to experience this car on the racetrack and on the road, and yeah, even find out how fast it goes using the race box 0 to 100, and potentially also 100 to 200, or maybe even 0 to 200 on the racetrack later on. Yeah, as usual, put on the gloves. We can already see in the back here we have some additional Technica parts inside. We have carbon fiber door panels from the Huracan STO. We also have the engine from the STO. It's also a 640-2, which means rear-wheel drive from the STO. So yeah, it's somehow in between the hardcore STO and the rear-wheel drive Evo. And yeah, really fun, this car. Once again, I mean, you have seen numerous Huracan and Lamborghini videos on our channel, but this is more or less the sweet spot, I would even say. The STO was very hardcore, and the Evo RWD was a lot of fun, and this could be potentially, yeah, the best of both worlds. And yeah, without further talking, let's put it into drive. We have it into sport, and we'll put it into Corsa in just a second, and yeah, see how fast it goes, and specifically, of course, also how it sounds. Get into the Formula 1 position here and do a launch control. Let's see how this works. To do a second run, but yeah, they closed the track. You can see the man waving the flag there. So we just made it to do a 0 to 200 run. Yeah, 6 point something, 4, what was it, 100 to 200, and 3.4 0 to 100. Of course, are not the best figures that this car is able to do, but nevertheless, I think in the end it is a pretty good number there. Huge fun there. Thank you guys for doing that, and therefore yeah, thank you for watching, everybody.